Hello everyone, welcome back English Corner Hub. Today, we delve deeply into the profound themes of love and peace. This lesson is structured for C2 level learners, aligning with an IELTS band score of 8.0 to 9.0. We will explore the philosophical and psychological aspects of these concepts and their implications in global contexts. Part 1. Defining love and peace. Love transcends mere emotional affection or simple interpersonal attractions. It embodies empathy, understanding, and a fundamental respect for others, extending beyond familial or romantic ties to include all humanity. This universal concept encourages actions that foster community, understanding, and mutual respect. Peace, similarly, is not merely the absence of conflict but the presence of justice and the proactive cultivation of harmony through understanding and tolerance. True peace involves a dynamic process of addressing the root causes of conflicts and establishing societal systems that promote equity for all individuals. Part 2. Historical and cultural perspectives. Throughout history, various cultures have interpreted love and peace through philosophical doctrines and religious teachings, from the pacifism of the Quakers to the Ubuntu philosophy of Southern Africa, which emphasizes community and mutual care. Understanding these diverse perspectives enriches our global view and deepens our appreciation of how these concepts are woven into the social fabric of different communities. Part 3. Psychological dimensions. From a psychological viewpoint, love and peace are essential for mental health and societal well-being. Studies show that societies that promote these values tend to have lower levels of stress and higher rates of happiness. We'll explore how fostering environments of inclusivity and respect can significantly impact individual well-being and societal stability. Part 4. Love and peace in a globalized world. In our globalized era, the interconnections between distant communities make the principles of love and peace even more crucial. We face global challenges such as climate change, inequality, and migration crises, which require cooperative solutions rooted in these principles. Discussing recent global movements for peace and human rights, we examine how love transcends borders and fosters global solidarity. Part 5. Practical applications. Bringing these concepts into our daily lives, we discuss how individuals can cultivate love and peace through mindfulness, community service, and active engagement in civic life. Promoting these values within local communities contributes to a ripple effect, influencing broader societal changes. Part 6. Conclusion. As we reflect on love and peace, it's evident that their relevance extends beyond personal relationships into the broader societal and global arenas. By understanding and embodying these values, we contribute to a more just and harmonious world. Review questions. Test your understanding and analytical abilities with these questions. Which philosophy aligns with the idea that community and mutual care are central to societal well-being?
A. Existentialism. B. Capitalism. C. Ubuntu. D. Stoicism.
How does global interconnectedness increase the importance of love and peace?
A. It does not affect global relations. B. It enhances economic transactions only. C. It necessitates understanding across cultures to solve global issues. D. It isolates communities.
What role does psychological well-being play in promoting societal stability?
A. None. B. Minimal. C. Significant. D. Temporary.
This lesson for C2 learners not only enhances vocabulary but also encourages critical thinking about how love and peace impact personal, societal, and global levels, suitable for an advanced level of English proficiency.